Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete videos on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on My Moments. Tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the video. Now go ahead and select Delete. Tap on Confirm to permanently delete your videos. Now you have permanently deleted your videos from BuzzCast. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.